Imagine having control of your slides, knowing how much have you advanced and how much slides remain as well. As this introduction, like this, here you will see how you can make it with a few clicks. And the best of all, you don't need to know a single line of programming because I will show you step by step how to do it with a few clicks and how to configure it with your preference. So stay until the end. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this progress dot on your slides. So in the link in the description, you will find my GitHub repository. And here, at the right, there's a slider. I need to go down, and in releases, click on the last release. Now, in this last release, I can go down until I found the assets. Here, I can find the .raf file. I need to download it. Once it's downloaded, I need to open it. And extract here. You will find two files. One is in English and one is in Spanish. I need it in English because this tutorial is in English, so I'm going to delete the other one. And now we are going to add this progress dot on our slides. I'm going to open this new slide that has been made with Copilot. And now I need to activate my developer tab. If you don't have the developer tab yet, you need to go to File and Options. If your screen is too small to see options, you can click here on More and now Options. Now we need to customize ribbon. Now in the right tab, we need to filter all tabs and look for developer. Here I found it. I see that there's no check there. I'm going to activate the check and put OK. And now we see the developer tab just here. To import the progress dot, I need to go to my developer tab, go to Visual Basic, and here I'm going to see all my slides that are activated right now. I'm going to put the current slide, the current presentation, import file, and the file that I just download. Now I can see here in modules, player circles, there are all the macros that we are going to use. Don't worry, there's just one main macro, and I'm going to explain every macro and how to configure it step by step. I'm going to close this. And I'm going to use the macro draw circles. I can run with this button or make double click here. Now I see that the circles were added automatically in all my slides. I see this is slide number 2 of all these slides. The slide number 3 of all these slides. And can go to the end. One slide to end and the last one. Okay, I see there are too much circles that I don't need it in some slides, so I'm going to use the other macros. I can delete all circles in the last slide, and as I see, they disappear. There's no more circles here. I can make it in the first slide also. And as I see, they disappear here, but not here. And now I see that this is starting from the slide number 2. I want to start from slide number 1. So I can go here, delete the first circle in every slide and center it again. I'm going to run it. And now I see this as the first slide, this as the second, this as the third. We are going to see this at last as well. I see this is not the last circle, so I'm going to delete this last one. Macros, delete last circle in every slide and center it. And now it's center again. Now I want to delete circles also in every title slide. For example, this one. I can select this slide, put macros, and delete the circles in current slide. Okay, I can do it again. Delete circles in current slide. But as I see, the circles are also objects, so I can also select them and erase them. Select them and erase them. And if I want to delete the circles in every slide, I can use run delete circles out of slides. And now there's no more circles. This presentation has been downloaded from slidescarnival.com. And now, for example, I can make here, I want to make the circles bigger and with this yellow color. Which yellow is this? I don't know. I can insert a new shape here. And shape fill with eyedropper. Okay, I have the color here. I'm going to select now more fill options. And I see here the hexadecimal code. I need to put the RGB code. So to know that, I need to copy that. Here's the RGB, but I can copy from Google. And here's the RGB code as well as I need it. I'm going to copy this. And now we are going to change the color of every circle here. I'm going to show you how. In my Visual Basic for applications in Developer, I need to go to the modules, variable cycles, and the first macro. The first macro are the variables that I'm going to use in these slides. For example, progress circle fill color. That means that black fillet in the first circle, for example, I want to change it. I want to make this yellow color that I just copy in RGB. Progress cycle border color. This white border, I want to keep it. That's okay. Remaining slides circle fill color. These remaining slides use the fill color. This is white. Okay, I want to keep it white. And now remaining slides circle border color. This is black. I want to change it for this yellow. Okay. These are our first two changes. Now, circle border width. I see the border width, this white one, I see is maybe a little tiny. I can put it like 0.4. Radius of the circle, 5. I want to do it bigger, so I want to put it 8. But now they are too close to each other, so spacing, I want to change it. I want to put 20. I want to be more spaced and bigger. And the circle height, I can put this height. This is this height, the standard one. 50 is using the standard bottom of the text, and I put a rest. I can put that. I can change the number. I can put any number I want and just check it which is better. And now I can save it. I want to run the macro again. And now as you see, The circles have another colors, another radius, another width, maybe too big of a width. I can change again. And this is the presentation. I hope it's useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. You're welcome to give me a like using the button here and subscribe to the channel. And if you really like it and feel it useful, you can give me a star in my GitHub repository. So see you next time.